Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply contact Zengo customer support. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Zango Wallet app on your phone. Now right afterwards you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So from over here on the top right section you will find a scanning icon in the customer support icon. Go ahead, tap on it, and simply you will find this option of message help, and you can search the topic and the information as well. You can tap on message and start messaging them from right over here that you with this topics given over here, or you can simply go back, tap on this help center. You can choose the general option or whatever option that goes with you with your concern. You can tap on that particular option and they will simply give you the article regarding it, on what is it and how you can solve that concern of yours. So it's basically tapping on this icon, choosing the method that you would prefer, and getting the help from them. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.